Paco's patient pause. Paco the parrot loved to do everything right now. If he wanted a cracker, he wanted it right now. If he wanted to sing, he sang right now. His friend, Leo, was building a tall tower of blocks. Paco, Leo said, we'll play with your favorite bell in 5 minutes, after I finish this. 5 minutes. That felt like forever to Paco. He fluffed his feathers. 5 minutes is too long, he squawked. Leo smiled. It's a countdown, Paco. While we wait, you could sing a little song, or count your shiny beads. Paco tried to sing, but his song was a bit wobbly. He kept thinking, is it 5 minutes yet? Is it 5 minutes yet? Then he looked at his shiny, colorful beads. 1 red, 2 blue, 3 green, he chirped softly. Counting felt a little like a game. He focused on each bead, its color, its shine. The minutes started to fly by. Time's up, Paco, Leo announced, his tower now complete. Ready for your bell? Paco blinked. 5 minutes had passed, and he hadn't squawked or stomped his feet. He hadn't had a meltdown at all. With a happy chirp, Paco flew to his favorite bell and rang it with delight. Waiting wasn't so bad when you had something fun to do.